Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your bed custard in two different ways, how to achieve the light one and how to achieve the thick custard. Okay, so I'm using bed custard and I'm using nasty carnation evaporated milk, and I'm going to be using honey to sweeten up my custard. If you like sugar, you can do with sugar, but I'm going to stick with my honey. So right now I'm going to get a dry bowl and I'm adding 3 tablespoons of bed custard powder. And for this 3 tablespoons, I'm going to be mixing it up with 3 tablespoons of normal room temperature water. And I'm going to give it a nice stir until it's completely mixed into light liquid. So if you're using sugar, I will encourage you put your sugar at this moment and give it a nice stir all together before putting your hot water. So I'm going to show you, you can see how light the consistency is. So this is for the light custard. So when I'm done giving it a stir, I'm going to get my boiling water from my kettle and I'm going to put it directly into the mixed custard until the top of the custard looks cooked, as you can see right here. So give it 10 seconds before giving it a stir, so you can see how it is. So right now I'm just going to add some honey and evaporated milk, and that is for the soft and light custard. You can enjoy this with your cake, with your AKRA, your moi moi, anything can go with it. Even your kids can enjoy it with some nice biscuit. This is very nice. So I'm going to be showing you how to make the thick and strong custard. You can see how light it is. So for the thick one, I'm also going to be using 3 tablespoons of bed custard powder. And I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of water. For the first one, I used 3 tablespoons, and for the thick one, I'm going to be using just 2 tablespoons of water. So you can see how the consistency is. It is very hard to move with your spoon. You can see how thick and strong. When you dip your spoon inside, it's very hard. So I'm just going to give it a stir to make sure there is no powder in it, though it is very thick, so you won't notice it. Just give it a very nice stir. Then pour in your hot boiling water till you notice the top is well cooked. So now give it a nice stir. Also, you can see the difference between the both. This one looks very more stronger than the other one. It looks very thick. So I'm also going to be adding my milk as usual, and you can see how the difference between the both is. Just the difference is you need to measure the water that you're going to use to mix your powder. So guys, thank you very much. I hope you find this recipe useful. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon so you get notification anytime I post recipes like this. Click the like button. Thank you very much, and do check out my AKRA recipe, my moi moi recipe, so you can use to enjoy your custard. Have a lovely day. Bye.